What's up everybody, my name is Dwight and welcome back to GeForce Garage. Lately we've been revamping other GeForce Host PCs and we're going to be continuing that trend. We brought in Shannon Morse who built her new rig recently, and while those specs are great, today we're going to be taking it to the next level. Well, welcome Shannon, glad to finally meet you.
You too, thank you so much for having me.
So why don't you tell us a little bit about your history in PC gaming?
Sure, so I've been building computers with my dad starting off when I was 9 years old. I got into PC gaming really early in my life, and I still love playing video games to this day, and I'm also a YouTuber myself, so I do a lot of content creation. Okay, and you just recently built this PC. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that? I did, yes. So this is my baby. This is a Corsair Crystal 280X. Included on the inside, we start off with a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, which is great for ray tracing. It's absolutely beautiful. I also have a Ryzen 7 2700X. Then I have 32 gigs of Corsair RAM. And then a bunch of ASUS Republic of Gamers components, including the AIO that you see here on the top. The PSU is also ASUS Republic of Gamers. And then the motherboard is the last ROG component in there. So this is a mini ITX motherboard, which means I do have some limitations as far as PCI slots. So I am super excited because we are going to be moving to a much larger motherboard, which is the full ATX ROG Strix X570, which means I will have more room for RAM as well as a capture card. So obviously you're a huge Sailor Moon fan. A little bit. I don't know if that has been obvious to everybody yet. So we're gonna do some custom cables, some vinyls, some window etching inside of a brand new bigger case. It's gonna be awesome. All right, well, let's stop talking and start building. Yay! I'm so excited. Well, it's all put together and it looks great. What was your experience building your first themed PC? Actually, it was really easy. This case is big enough that it was plenty of room to fit in all the components and everything that I need for editing and content creation and gaming as well. And I love how you took all these different implementations and turned it into this entire Sailor Moon vibe. I love the Fuku collar on the front. Fuku, that's what you call her costume. Thank you. I love the etching and I love how it fits perfectly in the middle of that fan, so it looks like she's transforming on the front of the case, and just that color combo totally brings it together. Well, you nailed the placement on the stencil, so that was all you. I totally eyeballed that too. The GPU backplate and how you implemented my Sailor Snubs logo in a way that's just front and center where you can't ignore it. The RGB glows through it really, really beautifully. Of course, we have the custom cables with the gold combs. Yes! The fact that Sailor Moon has her yellow pigtails in the anime, and you were able to use that with the two side cables, oh, that's so perfect. I can't wait to play with this. I can't wait to edit on it, play video games. It's gonna be so much fun. Well, thanks for coming by, Shannon. I'm glad your first experience doing a fully modded themed PC went so well. Thank you so much. I had such a wonderful time. Thanks everybody for watching GeForce Garage. I don't think that build could have gone to a better Sailor Scout. If you guys like this video and want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you for the next one.